Hello, in this video I will show you how you can improve battery life on a Redmi 15C. So first of all, open the settings and from here go to battery section. From here you can select the current mode from balanced to battery saver, and basically that allows you to get more time of your battery life. Also, in the battery protection, I recommend you to select battery protection or smart charging. In the additional features, you can also find schedule power on and off, and this allows you to schedule when your Redmi 15C completely turning off or turning on. If you are not using it, it's a good option to improve your battery life. For example, you can schedule power off for the night and power on the early morning. So this is also very useful. So basically this can help you with improving your battery life on the Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching and subscribe.